skincare solution for detoxifying and caring for your skin. Experience the power of the Plantifique Face and Body Clay Mask, enriched with 7 superfoods for skin purification, detoxification, moisturization, and nourishment. Discover the unique combination of superfood ingredients like avocado, spinach, blueberry, spirulina, tea tree, aloe vera, and calendula, each providing specific skincare benefits. Purify and detoxify your skin with the Plantifique Face and Body Clay Mask. Say goodbye to impurities, breakouts, and large pores. Experience the moisturizing and nourishing properties of avocado and spirulina. Achieve a youthful complexion with improved elasticity and reduced inflammation. Rest assured, the Plantifique Face and Body Clay Mask is dermatologically tested and proven to be safe for your skin. It has received an excellent rating from an independent German dermatological laboratory. Join our community of happy customers who have experienced the benefits of the Plantifique Face and Body Clay Mask. We value your satisfaction and provide excellent customer service. Ready to try the Korean Face and Body Detox Mud Mask by Plantifique? Visit our website now to purchase and unlock the secret to healthy, radiant skin.